Good morning, students. I, your mathematics teacher, I.K. Misra, once again present here to proceeding the chapter 6 simplification. Students, this is the very important video. In this video, I will give you some concept to solve the simplification in some questions. Here today I will discuss here question number 12 to 15, and in this exercise only 15 question is given. Here written 12 to 15 question, and today I will solve here all of these questions. Students, first of all I suggest you, if you didn't subscribe my channel till, so first of all subscribe this channel for regular video updates. When I uploaded any video, then you will get notification. Students, today, students, I observed very few students are active in group for studying. Very few students send me your homework. Students, I inform you, next time once again a test will be taken as previous. Students, so read carefully, watch all the videos carefully, and do your homework as directed in videos or as your syllabus. Students, so here I proceed in this questions to solve. Here always watch one video, each one video carefully. Students, so now let's start. Here question number 12. 4 whole 1 by 10 minus 2 whole 1 by 2 minus 5 whole 5 by 6 minus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10 minus 4 by 15. Students, you have to simplify, and first of all do the operations in a small bracket. Here in a small bracket, 1 plus and minus. So friends, first of all do is equal to 4 whole 1 by 10, and you can change it in improper fraction. So here 41 by 10 minus 5 by 2 minus here 5 by 6 and minus here, do the operations in this bracket. Here all of these in proper fraction, and here LCM is equal to 30. Here LCM is equal to 30, and divide it 6 times and 12 plus here students 3 times and here 9, and minus here 2 times and 8. Students, after that 41 by 10 minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 6, and do the operations here, add and subtract here, and minus 13 by 30. Clear students? Small bracket is eliminated. Now 41 by 40, 41 by 10 minus 5 by 2 minus here, students, do the operations in this bracket. Here LCM is equal to 30, and here 25 minus here 13. After that, students, 41 by 10 minus here 5 by 2 and minus, do the operations here, 12 by 30. Students, here you can change it into divide it and or likely solve it. Now proceed one step more. 10 minus 5 by 2 and minus here 6 times 2, here divided by 6 and 6 2 times and 5 times, so here minus 2 by 5. Students, after that here 41 by 10 minus here right LCM 10 and here 25 minus 4. Clear, friends? Now after that 41 by 10 minus subtract it and 21 by 10. Friends, LCM is equal to 10. LCM equal to 10 and here 41 minus 21 is equal to here 20 by 10 and students is equal to 2. 2 times 1 1 0 0 cancel, so is equal to 2. So its simplest value is 2. Clear, friends? Similarly, students, you can solve another questions. Now proceed in next question, question number 13. Students, here 13 number question is written, and in 13 number question students notice at this place no one sign is given before the bracket. And students, as you know that if no one sign is given, suppose here I write 8 minus 3 and here 2 and no sign will be given before the bracket, that then you understand here multiplication sign is hidden. Here multiplication sign is hidden. So here after that completing the operations in this bracket and do the multiplication with this. Clear, friends? Always remember this term, this thing, and this type of questions many time you have to solve. You will have to solve. Friends, this type of questions you have to solve. You will have to solve in exercise simplification of algebraic expression, and they where always notice this rule. Friends, now proceed this question. Here is equal to 1 whole 5 by 6 plus 2 whole 3 by 2 by 3 minus, students, here you can change 12 3 15 upon 4 and into here, students, here 15 and 2 4 19 by 5 divided by here you can change and 18 19 by 2. Students, after that 1 whole here, suppose here 2 whole 2 by 3 bracket is given. Friends, here 1 whole 5 by 6 plus 2 whole 2 by 3 and you can change it as 6 to 8 by 3 minus here 15 upon 4 and here multiplication, as I told in previous, here multiplication sign is hidden, so I give here multiplication, and when you solve it here 19 by 5, when you change the division into multiplication it will be reversed, that means 2 by 19. And students, here 19 we crossed, and after that here you can also change it in 11 by 6 plus 8 by 3 minus, students, here 15 by 4 multiplication, and when you simplify it here 99 crossed and here 2 by 5. Clear, friends? Small bracket is eliminated. Here 5 3 times and 3 2 times. So students, after that 11 by 6 plus 8 by 3 minus here 3 by 2. Clear, students? Here curly bracket is eliminated. After that 11 by 6 plus here 8 by 3, and LCM is equal to 6, and 2 times 16 minus here 3 times 9. Clear, friends? After that here 11 by 6 plus this plus sign is given here, and here 7 by 6. Clear, friends? After that LCM is equal to 6, and 11 or 7, 11 plus 7 is equal to 18 by 6. And friends, here 3 times and here 3. So its simplest value is equal to 3. Similarly, students, you can solve these questions. Now I proceed. I solve this question number 14. Students, in this question number 14, observe two things is new. Here in previous question I discussed, here multiplication sign is hidden. Here 2, 1 by 2 and a started bracket, that means a multiplication sign is hidden, and this thing is already discussed in previous question. Students, here a bar bracket is used here. So first of all, do the operation of bar bracket. Students, suppose here a bracket is started, and before the bracket minus sign is. Minus is not in under the bracket, bar bracket. Students, here do the process it as positive and it as negative. So here change into 24 upon 5 divided by 2 whole, that means 11 by 5 minus here 1 by 2, and you can give here multiplication sign, and here 5 by 4. Students, here minus sign is given, and do the operation between this, or you can change, you can multiply minus in both of these. So here when you multiply minus in 1 by 4, here minus 1 by 4, and when you multiply minus in it, so minus be plus 1 by 5. Students, clear? And bar bracket is removed. Students, you can also do as here 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, and you can do the operation and write here after minus. So students, here now here 24 by 5 divided by 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2 into here, do the operations. LCM is equal to 20. LCM is equal to 20, and here 5 times 25 minus here 5 minus 5 and plus here 4. So students, here after that 24 by 5 divided by 11 by 5 minus here 1 by 2 into, and do the operation here 24 by 20, 24 by 20, here minus 20 and plus 4, 24 by 20, and small bracket is removed. Students, after that here 12 times, and after that here 3 times, and here divide it by 4, and it will have 5. So friends, here 24 by 5 divided by 11 by 5 minus here 3 by 5. All of these operations here minus sign is given, and operations is given, done. So 3 by 5. After that, friends, 24 by 5 divided by, here do the operation. LCM is equal to 5, and 11 minus 3. Here 24 by 5 divided by, do the operations, and here 8 upon 5. Clear students? And after that change the division into multiplication. So 24 by 5 multiply 5 by 8. Here 5 be crossed and 8 3 ja. Here 3 is equal to the answer of this. That means its simplest value is 3. Clear students? Now proceed in question number 15. Students, here 15 number question is written, and here to solve. Also observe, this question is just like previous question number 14. Here observe, here bar bracket is given, one bar bracket given, and here multiplication sign is hidden. So students, do here 15 by 2 minus here 9 by 4 divided by here 5 by 4 and minus 1 by 2 into here 3 by 2 minus, and minus after that here 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 operation is done. So here take the LCM and or you can multiply minus in both 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 6. When you multiply minus in 1 by 3, then it will be minus 1 by 3 and minus be multiplied in plus 1 by 6. Clear friends? Now proceed. Here 15 by 2 minus 9 by 4 divided by here 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into here multiplication sign is hidden, so I write here multiplication and here do the operation. So here LCM is equal to 6 and here 9 minus here 2 times divided 2 times and plus 1. Clear friends? After that here 15 by 2 minus 9 by 4 divided by 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into, and do the operation in it. 7 minus 2, 9 minus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 upon 6. Small bracket is removed. Now you can simplify here 4 times and here 2 times and here 3 times. So 2 by 3. So students, here 15 by 2 minus 9 by 4 divided by 5 by 4 minus here its value be 2 by 3. After that students, 15 by 2 minus 9 by 4 divided by, here do the operation, here multiplication, here 12 is a LCM and here 15 minus 8. Clear? After that 15 by 2 minus 9 by 4 divided by students, here change here 7 by 12, and after that is equal to 15 by 2 minus, when here 9 by 4 and it will be changed into multiplication, then 12 by 7 here 3 times, and after that 15 by 2 minus its value is equal to 27 by 7. Clear students? After that here do the LCM is equal to 14 and here 7 times 105 minus, and here 2 times 54. After that students, subtract 1 and 5, 51 by 14. Students, here 51 by 14, that means is equal to, you can change it into mixed fraction, and when you change 3 times 3 whole 42, 52 minus 42, here 9 times 9 by 14. Students, 3 whole 9 by 14 is the answer, simplest value of this question. Students, in this video I discussed question number 12 to 15, all the problems solved. Students, here I give you homework to complete this exercise 6a.